I just want to share something that's really exciting. We do a lot of trainings out there and equip people how to share the gospel. And the exciting thing is you hear the stories of what happens with the people that actually did the training, went out and trusted God in spite of any fear or apprehension. The exciting things that God does in people's lives that actually take that step of faith and go out and share the good news. One of the guys from the training heard that this man that was invited to church by somebody else had never stepped foot into church for over 27 years. And he said, man, this is the person I need to talk to. So he went after him and started sharing the good news. And he ended up giving his life to Christ. So he brought him into the church, invited him into a life group, told him the next step you need to do is get baptized. During that service, they were actually doing a baptism service. He said, I want you to take a look at the baptism service. Tell me what you think. And he came back out and he says, sign me up. I want to get baptized. And after that day, that young man is now involved in a small group. He's involved with various ministries within the church. It's exciting to see all this. Years ago, I trained a lot of graduates that came out of Teen Challenge. And it's exciting to hear how God used them after they learned how to share the gospel. Matter of fact, one of the testimonies was one of the men that said, you know what I'm doing now? He said, I'm doing monthly evangelism trainings at my church because of this training. Just recently heard from somebody that at a church that we used to attend down in Florida that said, this training has changed my life and I still use it every day. And that was over 20 years ago. Exciting to hear these stories. I remember when I did a training up in Wisconsin and I trained a bunch of people from the Christian Motorcycle Association. And we went out knocking on doors. We went out into the public, sharing the gospel. And one day I get a phone call and he says, Brother Richard, I'm over here in Rhode Island now. He said, would you mind sending me some materials? And do you mind if I teach this and start training people? I said, by all means, take it and run with it and train as many as you can. If you want to be trained and bring this workshop into your church or small group or ministry, let us know. We'd love to come and help equip you and see what God's going to do in your life to reach the multitudes with the gospel.